What's up, guys? LowLyfe video here, and today we're making a wish video. But first, I want to say Happy Treason Day to all my fellow Americans. 1776, that's what I'm talking about. And today we're going to celebrate that by ordering stuff from China. Well, today we're actually unboxing all that stuff. A little bit of some bad news. My file got a little corrupt that I ordered all the stuff with. But it's okay. We're gonna have a little box down here. I don't know which side it's gonna be on, but we're gonna have a little box down there, and it's gonna be showing everything on Wish as we go along and unbox everything. And the next video, I promise to make sure that that file doesn't get messed up, I'm gonna save it to my hard drive and my computer. So hopefully that doesn't happen. But for right now, let's dive into the video. Happy 4th of July. Let's see what we bought from Wish. All right, so let me get my knife out. Where's my knife at? First, we got this looking thing. It is crudely wrapped up in some tape. Like, I don't know how the hell it got past customs, but let's cut it open. And it says on the box that it's it says it's a watch. I ordered a bunch of different watches, so let's see which one it is. Okay, this is our G-Shock, our fake G-Shock. And it's actually not bad. So, here we go. You guys can see it now. So it's not G-Shock, it's Smael, S-M-A-E-L. I guess that's their brand. And it says it's water resistant, but I don't know if I trust that. I definitely don't know if I trust that. It looks like, okay, it looks like all the buttons do, yeah, all the buttons work on it. But it looks like it's got like a fake altimeter on it, like to tell you the altitude. So that part's fake. But other than that, it looks like it's a stopwatch that works. It tells you the date, it tells you the time. It tells you, okay, so it's a dual time, but see how it looks on me? That's not bad. Not bad at all. So you guys will be able to see in the little side right there how much it cost. And yo, I'm pretty excited about this. That's not bad. Okay, all right, that's wavy right there. All right, what's next? So this right here I already opened because I was kind of excited about it, and I'm really let down. This is supposed to be, and you can see in the corner, one of them, that this is the iPhone X case, and it looked in the picture it's supposed to be like a metal case with some leather on it. This is just one piece of plastic, so it was free, so I'm not gonna complain. All we had to do was pay shipping, but it's kind of shitty. It's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. All right, guys, what we got next? All right, I don't know what this is. It's another watch. We'll save that for a minute. We'll save that. Shit, we'll save that. You know what? Screw it. All right, we are going to open this one up. All right, so this right here. Let's see what this is. It says it's another watch. Let's check it out. Oh, okay. This one actually looks pretty nice and pretty legit. For the price, it's really not bad. But no, it's got fake buttons on it. Those buttons aren't even real. The straps actually feel really good. The watch itself has some good weight to it, but is that really? Bruh, this watch is trash. Straight trash, bro. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that minute hand, if you shake the watch, it actually bounces around like it's not in there at all. It's got fake buttons. It's got a fake second hand. Are you serious? All of the dials on it besides the hour and the minutes hand are fake. Bruh, I was so stoked for this. I might save the bands on this and use it for something else. I'm pretty upset with that. Like, that's another piece of trash from Wish. Wish, you are letting me down. The only thing that's been good so far is that fake G-Shock, and I can't even rock that, yo, because it doesn't even say G-Shock on it. At least say G-Shock. The hell kind of shit is that? All right, let's throw that over there, that over there. What else we got here? All right, yo, we got our hoodie in. So I'm actually pretty excited about this hoodie. Yo, and it actually feels kind of good. It looks kind of decent. How the hell do I get it out of the package? All right. Yo, I feel like a kid on Christmas. Oh my God. Yo, this is actually pretty soft. So I ordered, it said Asian sizes. Was it sizes? So I ordered whatever size. This is an XL. So maybe it's not. Maybe this one was American sizes. No, I think this one was Asian sizes, bro. Or this was a kid's. Because this thing is tiny, bro. It's so tiny. Like, I don't think that this is going to fit me, bro. This is like a women's shirt, not a man's sweatshirt. Or this is an Asian size. Son of a bitch. Well, I'm going to have to find one of the military guys out here and see if they want it. I'll give it to them for free or something. I don't care. But, yo, it actually, like, it's got this soft fleece on the inside. Like, I'm actually pretty upset. Yo, this thing feels really comfortable. Damn. That was one of the things I was really excited about. What's this? What's this? How many things we got left here? Okay. Not that, not that. Did I open this? Yeah. Bro, my room right now, I shouldn't say house because I'm overseas. My room right now looks like the back of a UPS truck. I got so much stuff going on right now. All right, what we got here? This says it's a shirt, but I don't remember ordering just a plain old shirt. Let's open that up. Bruh, this isn't even a shirt. These are the jogger pants. I wonder why they put shirt on the package. That doesn't make any sense. What size did I get? I got a 3XL. Okay, so this one I know was labeled as Japanese size. And it's supposed to be gray, but I don't think you can see in the picture. But yo, these are definitely purple. And this is definitely like a fucking extra small. Like a women's extra small. Because that's not going to stretch out to my waist. And these definitely aren't jogger pants, bro. These are regular, like, high cut into your ball sack pants. Bro, I'm gonna have to... Are you fucking serious right now? Wish, you're letting me down. What is going on? Yo, these last two packages better be tits right now, or I'm gonna be mad as hell. All right. Next is these, and I know what these are, and I feel like these are gonna let me down. But these are the Yeezys, yo. The fake Yeezys. Before I open it up, I want you guys to see, yo, it is taped up in some crude manners. Like, Customs seized my package and opened it up and then retaped it back up when they realized there was no drugs in it. Like, come on, Customs, what are you doing? Yo, comment down below if, like, Customs is supposed to, like, leave, like, some sort of note that they opened your package. I know TSA does that when they open up your luggage. I wonder if Customs does that if they've opened your package, because, bro, these are looking like straight dookie, and I haven't even gotten them out of the bubble wrap yet. I don't know. I don't want them to be dookie, because Wish needs to redeem themselves with at least one item, because these are all so bad. No. No. I can already tell that they're like the fakest of the fakes, because, yo, they don't even have the cutouts in them. This isn't even the right tread pattern for the Yeezys. Bruh, what do we got in here? We got paper in there? Don't tell me. If I can fold these, that's the mark of a true fucking shitty. Bro. Yo, you gotta be kidding me right now. These are so shitty. God. Really? Are you serious? Like, that's not even real foam under there. It's just all one shitty plastic mold that isn't even, like, look at this. Like, that is so terrible. Wait. Uh-oh. This was in Yo, maybe this is why Customs opened my bag. I'm afraid to open it, but if Customs clears it, then I don't know. What's this? Yo, are you serious right now? What? Yo, Customs definitely opened this bag up because there was this little tiny thing inside the shoe. And I open it up and they give me what looks to be a women's ring. Size 9. Does it fit me at all? Yeah, it does. Yeah, but that's a woman's ring. And you guys really can't see, but it's supposed to be sparkly right there, like those are diamonds. And those definitely are diamonds, yo. Really? So they send me fake. Well, obviously I knew the shoes were fake. Come on now, they were what? I can't remember, but in the video, it should say they were what, $9? Something like that? $9, $14? Or were they the $20 ones? I can't remember, but yo, and then they send me this shit. Like, obviously Customs opened up my package because, yo, this is sketch as hell. Like, I didn't even want to open this. But we got fake Yeezys that feel like straight trash. Yo, it's got red thread in there when it's not supposed to be. Bro, this is upset. Yo, my roommate's gonna fucking laugh hysterically at this. Yo, look, I can fold the shoe in half. God, this is terrible. All right, what do we got left? What's this? Last package, Wish. You better redeem yourself on this, or I'm gonna be mad and I'm gonna go all American on you. Because it's America Day. So this is our smartwatch. Yo, Wish might have redeemed themselves on this. Yo, this looks exactly like an Apple Watch. And it was cheap too. All right, well, okay, so you can remove the bands, but not like an Apple Watch where it's got the little button, the little magnet button back there for you to do it. These just slide out. But it's got the side button. Yo. It's got a fake sensor right there. That's not even real. That's just molded into the plastic. Now, I thought it said you were supposed to be able to put a SIM card in here, but I don't see a slot for a SIM card. How do we turn this thing on? Really? Bros, this looks like the most legit fake Apple Watch I've ever seen in my life. And you can interchange the bands. But when you turn the fucking watch on, it's just a digital watch. Are you serious right now? It's just a digital watch. That's it. There's nothing else I could do. You said you're supposed to accept a SIM card and you're supposed to show me Facebook and stuff, and why, Wish? Are you serious right now? Yo, Wish is on some grimy stuff. None of the stuff fits, even though I used the sizing chart on Asian sizes to American sizes. These shoes are trigger trash. The Apple Watch, trash. Yo, the only good thing was the fake G-Shock, and it doesn't even say G-Shock on it to make it appear like it's a knockoff G-Shock. It's a schmale, whatever the hell that is. It's all right. It's okay. It'll be all right. If you guys haven't left a video yet, we got another Wish video coming, and I'll actually show the meat ordering stuff, and we're going to dive deeper. We're going to actually just go for a video of all Wish tech products to see if they're all as bad as that Apple Watch. If they're all as bad as that Apple Watch, yo, we're done with. No, we're going to order some more fake clothes and see if, you know, I don't know, who knows. We'll see where Wish takes us, because I mean, right now it's just us wasting money. So I guess if you guys want to see us waste some more money, drop a like below, leave a comment on what you want to see us buy on Wish. And also, if you guys didn't know, I got a gaming channel now. So I'm going to put the link in the description down below to my gaming channel. I'm trying to do minimum 5 videos a week, but I'm actually shooting for 8 videos a week. So if I can get them 8 videos a week up on my gaming channel, I'm going to be H, especially if you guys hop on over there and subscribe to that too. All right, guys, let us know down in the comments what else you want to see us buy from Wish. So far, it's been a terrible day. All right, guys, I'm out. Peace.